Oh, what a cute little salmon fry. How gorgeous is this little stream in an old-growth forest, right? So picturesque, like something straight out of Fern Gully. Well, not only does the health of this stream depend on the forest surrounding it, but this stream actually contributes to the health of the forest. You see these gently sloping, cool shaded waters carved through soft soils to create a twisting, arcing stream around coarse woody debris that creates deep pools and cool water that salmon love to thrive and swim and play in. And when they die, their carcasses are carried far off into the woods by bears and other scavengers where they decompose, returning oceanic nitrogen to the soils so that cedars like this can continue to grow big and strong and shade and cool the waters. It's all part of a cycle. Unfortunately, many roads and highways were constructed at a time when people didn't really think about fish or their habitat. As a result, many culverts are too small, creating a fire hose effect with water velocity that physically impedes the fish from migrating, and many are too long, spanning multiple lanes of highway with no features or any resting spots for fish along the way. Additionally, corrugated metal is no substitute for a healthy stream bed, and the angle of a culvert can have a huge role to play on the water velocity as well. When the outlet of a culvert is hung, sometimes the height of the jump can exceed the physical capacity of the fish, like this one here. This is over 2 meters high. There is no fish in the entire world that can make this jump. Improperly designed or installed culverts like this one here can eventually lead to habitat fragmentation, essentially isolating populations of salmon from their spawning grounds, not to mention that salmon aren't the only critters that use culverts, so reconnecting the watershed has massive health implications for the entire ecosystem. So how did the fish cross the road? Well, it didn't. A hung, steep, collapsed, or undersized culvert essentially blocks fish travel, so out with the old and in with the new. A functioning culvert maintains natural flow regimes, allowing for the year-round passage of adult and juvenile fish by protecting the existing conditions of the stream. They should be large enough to handle the river at maximum flow, allowing for the transport of nutrients, sediments, woody debris, and fish passage. A properly designed culvert is short, low gradient, open-bottomed or embedded with natural substrates, and backwatered, raising the overall water levels within the culvert and creating a natural stream channel like this one here.